Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting video series about the basic characteristics, basic nature, the negative and positive aspects of each zodiac sign. And I'll cover up in this video series all the zodiac sign one by one. But before I'll start with the first sign, which is Aries, I would like to clear the confusion about knowing your actual birth sign. I've seen so many people who are not even aware about their actual birth sign. They don't know which sign describes them accurately. They just follow the famous Western system of zodiac signs, which may or may not be correct, because the system in Vedic astrology and Western astrology, they are totally different. The mode of calculation is different in Vedic astrology and Western astrology. That is why the position of sun, which they consider, that might be totally different in your own birth chart. That is why it is important to know your birth chart and know your actual position of sun, to know about your sign which describe you more accurately. So if you want to know about your personality, about your character, just look at your birth chart and look at the sign where sun is placed in your birth chart. I repeat, look at the sign where sun is placed in your birth chart. That is actually your sun sign, not that zodiac sign which you follow from the Western astrology. The sign where sun is positioned in your own birth chart, that is actually your sun sign. And sun is the universal soul. So that is why the sign where sun is positioned, that sign tells a lot about your personality, about your soul, about your inner nature, what you are from within. Sun sign tells about your personality. Then comes your moon sign, which has given a greater importance in Vedic astrology. Moon sign, moon represent our mind. Moon control our thoughts, our emotions, and moon represents our emotional inner nature and as well as our needs. That is why while knowing your personality, while knowing your characteristics, moon sign is very important, because it tells about your needs, it tells about your thought process, it tells about your emotional security, about your emotional nature. So the sign where moon is positioned in your birth chart is your moon sign, and it tells about your emotional side, about your mental, about your thought process, because moon control our thoughts and it is the fastest moving planet. That is why our thoughts and our emotions keeps changing frequently because of the fast pace of moon. And then comes your ascendant sign, rising sign. The rising sign is actually that sign when you were born, the sign which was rising from the east, that is your rising sign. It is the first house in your birth chart, and it is the most important house in a birth chart. And in Vedic system, Vedic astrology, the whole chart depends upon the ascendant. Ascendant describes actually which chart is this. It is described by the ascendant, by the rising sign. So the sign, because it is the first house in your birth chart, and first house is about your body, about your physical body, about your personality. It is through the sign it shows how you present yourself to the rest of the world. It is seen by this rising sign. It tells a lot about your personality. So while knowing about your character, knowing about your personality, not only sun sign, not only moon sign, but rising sign also has greater importance. So now the question arises, which sign are you really? Answer is simple. All of them. You are actually a combination of these three signs. Your personality, your character is defined by all these three signs. And if you want to be more specific about yourself, then your whole birth chart, the planets, the position of planets, everything comes into play. And one more thing, the time of the birth, whether you are born in daytime or in the night time, that also tells a lot about your personality. If you are born in the daytime, it means sun is strong in the daytime. That means your sun sign, where sun is positioned in your birth chart, that sign will describe you more accurately. And if you are born in the night time, then moon is powerful at night, then your moon sign will describe you more accurately. That is why you should never judge someone on the basis of the zodiac sign only, because there are so many factors, so many things that shape up a person's character or personality. And while checking while there is a trend about knowing your daily horoscope, daily, weekly, monthly and yearly horoscope. Now you must be thinking that then from which sign I'll have to check that transit result, that horoscope prediction, that forecast. Check your forecast, the daily, weekly forecast from the moon sign, because that forecast itself is based upon the transit of moon. That is why you should look at that forecast, that horoscope from the moon sign only, not from the sun sign, not from the ascendant sign, from the moon sign only. So that is all about your the birth sign of your character, which describes your character. So now I'll start with the first sign of zodiac, which is Aries. I'll describe its characteristic, its positive and negative aspects, but in my next video. Namaskar.